Molarity is the concentration, meaning the amount of substance there is in a certain amount of volume. So we measure molarity, big M, in moles per liters. Our moles is going to be the moles of the solute. That is what is going into the water. And the liters is going to be the liters of solution, which is usually water. So if you are doing a problem where you have to think about concentration and molarity, remember that molarity is equal to moles over liters. So let's look at the first problem. How many grams of sulfuric acid are in 1.5 liters of a 1.55 molar sulfuric acid solution? Remember that molarity, big M, is moles per 1 liter. So I'm going to rewrite my molarity as 1.55 moles of sulfuric acid over 1 liter, because it is moles per liter. Now I am searching for my grams. That is my unknown. My given is my liters, and my unknown is the grams of H2SO4. So we have learned how to convert between grams and moles and mole to mole, and with molarity helps you convert between moles and liters. So let's take a look. We are starting with liters, so that tells us that we need to use our molarity, and we are ending in grams, and so that means that we need a molar mass, because anytime you see grams, you need a molar mass. Our molar mass of H2SO4 is 98.078 grams of H2SO4 per 1 mole of H2SO4. So we have all of the things that we need. Because we're starting with liters, we're going to use our molarity to convert to moles. And then once we are in moles, we're going to use our molar mass to convert to grams. So let's set up our dimensional analysis. All right, so here we go. We're going to start with our given. Never start your dimensional analysis with a fraction. So you're never going to start dimensional analysis with molarity. You're going to start with your given, which is the liters. And because we are converting to moles from liters, we need our molarity. That's our next step. And then because we finally want grams, we're going to end with our molar mass. All right, so the steps were, because we're starting with liters, our first conversion is with our molarity. Our second conversion is going to be with molar mass, because we're going to go from moles to grams. And when you plug that into the calculator, you should get 228 grams of H2SO4. Okay, let's do one more problem. In this problem, you are given 5 grams of potassium bromide. You are dissolving it in 2.50 liters of water. What is the concentration? Remember, concentration is molarity, which is moles over liters. Well, you have your liters, but you do not have your moles. Instead, you have grams. But by now, you should know how to convert from grams to moles. So that's how we're going to start. We're going to start with our 5 grams of KBr, and we are going to convert it to moles of KBr. So we divide by molar mass. When we do that, we get our moles, which will be 0.0420 moles of KBr. So we now have our moles, and we were given our liters, and molarity, or concentration, is just moles divided by liters. So we are going to do that for our last step. 0.0420 moles of KBr divided by our liters. And that will give you the molarity, which will be 0.0168. And molarity's units is that big M.